Python mocking a function from an imported module. I want to understand how to patch a function from an imported module. This is where I am so far. app/mocking.py. app/my_module/_init_.py. test/mocktest.py. This does not work as I would expect. The patch module simply returns the unmocked value of get_user_name. How do I mock methods from other packages that I am importing into a namespace under test?
When you are using the patch decorator from the unittest.mock package, you are patching it in the namespace that is under test, in this case app.mocking.get_user_name, not the namespace the function is imported from, in this case app.my_module.get_user_name. To do what you described with that patch, try something like the below. The standard library documentation includes a useful section describing this.
While Monty John's answer solves your issue, and helped me too, thanks, I would, however, suggest localizing the replacement of the original get_user_name function with the mocked one. This will allow you to control when the function is replaced and when it isn't. Also, this will allow you to make several replacements in the same test. In order to do so, use the with statement in a pretty similar manner.
If you want to see more classes on C++ scripting,